Welcome to our special report on the West Bengal Assembly elections of 2026. The results are in, marking a historic shift in the state's political landscape. Today, May 4th, 2026, the figures confirm a massive victory for the Bharatiya Janata Party, or BJP, creating political waves across India. The battle was for the 294-seat West Bengal Legislative Assembly, a fiercely contested election that drew national attention. The final counts reveal a commanding performance by the BJP, securing a mandate that few political analysts had predicted. The BJP clinched a majority in the assembly, securing an impressive 179 seats, well above the required mark to form the government. Furthermore, the BJP was reported to be leading in an additional 28 seats, solidifying their dominant position in the state. On the other side of the ledger, the Trinamool Congress, or TMC, faced a devastating defeat. After 15 consecutive years in power, the TMC government has fallen, marking the end of an era in West Bengal politics. The party fell significantly short of securing a majority, resulting in a crushing electoral defeat for the Trinamool Congress. Adding insult to injury, the election saw the defeat of several senior TMC leaders across various constituencies. The most stunning result came from the Bhabanipur constituency, a high-stakes battleground watched closely by the nation. In a shock result, Suvendu Adhikari emerged victorious, defeating the incumbent Mamata Banerjee. Suvendu Adhikari secured the win with a decisive margin of 15,114 votes, cementing one of the most significant upsets of the election. This historic victory for the BJP signals a major shift in the political power structure of West Bengal and holds significant implications for national politics. The 2026 West Bengal Assembly elections have concluded, opening a new and uncertain chapter for the state.